Burden of debt. The first gust of early morning wind spreads its golden shawl, covers the dull landscape with wild jasmine chrysanthemum, sneaked through the gossamer window, wiping my terrors. Your dotted face beads of perspiration, the heavy heart and the stale air. So, what do you expect me to say then? Even if I say something by present day standards, it may fall far too short of what it really takes. Footprints on the ground. That calls for an apology. Do we ever? Our starving senses, the naked scramble, and a studied nonchalance. Nature